Hey everyone, do you want to save time in Excel? Today I will show you 5 must-know shortcuts that will boost your productivity. First up, ever find yourself scrolling forever to reach the bottom of your data? Instead of dragging the mouse, just press Ctrl Arrow Key. This jump you to the last filled cell in that direction. For example, if you are in cell A1 and press Ctrl down, you will just instantly land at the end of your list. No more wasted time. Now, what if you want to select an entire block of data? Instead of clicking and dragging, which can be slow, use Ctrl Shift Arrow Key. This select everything from your current cell to the last filled cell in that direction. Try it. Click a cell, hold Ctrl Shift Arrow key, and watch Excel highlight everything below, perfect for formatting or copying data. Need a total? Instead of typing equals sum and selecting cell, just highlight the numbers and press Alt equal. Excel automatically insert the sum function for you. This works for rows, column, or even multiply selection. Boom! Total calculation in 1 second. Working with a huge spreadsheet. Keep your headers visible while scrolling by using freeze panels. Here's the shortcut. Click the cell below the row or to the right of the column you want to freeze. Press Alt WFF one after another. Now your headers stay put, no more losing track of your columns. And the last one for today is Alt key. If you're gonna click on the Alt, you're gonna see the menu on the top. So if you're gonna click any of this letter, it's just gonna navigate you to function, whatever you want. And there you have it. 5 Excel shortcuts that will make you faster than ever. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I will see you in the next video. Happy excelling!